Isn't this food produced in a laboratory strange? What about wars due to water scarcity? What can save us from this frightening future that we may live in less than 30 years? Keep watching and do what needs to be done. By 2050, global warming and population growth have decimated traditional agriculture. Synthetic foods produced in laboratories have replaced natural foods. So how did we get to this point? The unsustainable use of traditional farming methods and the environmental damage of large-scale agriculture have led to the collapse of ecosystems and the depletion of natural resources. Water resources have been drastically reduced due to global warming. Water and food have become the main cause of conflict and wars between countries. In the past, agricultural techniques and industrial practices that wasted water were not changed. This led to disruption of the water cycle and water scarcity. Meat consumption was banned due to the environmental impact of animal husbandry and ethical concerns. The world has necessarily switched to a vegan diet. However, inadequate planning has led to malnutrition in society. In the past, the environmental impact of livestock farming and ethical concerns were not sufficiently taken into account. Alternative sources of protein have not been invested in. These dystopian scenarios are a reflection of the mistakes of the past, but there is still hope. Sustainable agricultural practices, protecting water resources, and adopting ethical eating habits can save our future. Now is the time to act. Don't forget to follow Depths of Time for more videos and to get lost in the depths of time.